Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to find out what will happen if you plank every day for just 1 minute. That's right, only 60 seconds. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing fitness content. Now, let's dive right in. For this 30-day challenge, our participant, let's call her Jane, will perform a 1-minute plank every single day, without skipping. We'll track her progress and see how this simple exercise impacts her body, her strength, and her overall fitness. Are you ready to see the results? Let's go! On day 1, Jane struggles to hold the plank for a full minute, but she pushes through. Remember, it's crucial to maintain proper form with your elbows directly under your shoulders, your body in a straight line, and your core engaged. After a week of daily planking, Jane's form has improved, and she's finding it a little easier to hold the position for a minute. She's already noticing some changes in her body, especially in her core muscles. Halfway through the challenge, and Jane is really feeling the burn. But she's not giving up. She reports feeling stronger, more toned, and even more energetic throughout the day. Day 30 has arrived, and Jane has successfully completed her 1-minute plank challenge. Her core strength has improved dramatically, her posture is better, and she's even lost a few inches around her waist. So, what did Jane gain from just 1 minute of planking every day? Let's break it down. Improved core strength. Planking targets your entire core, including your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles. Jane's core strength has skyrocketed, helping her maintain good posture and reduce the risk of back pain. Toned muscles. Jane's consistent planking has led to more toned and defined muscles, not just in her core but also in her arms, shoulders, and glutes. Better posture. With her newfound core strength, Jane now has better posture, which can help prevent aches and pains in her neck and shoulders. Increased endurance. Jane can now hold a plank for much longer than before, proving that her overall endurance has improved. Enhanced confidence. Seeing her progress and achievements has boosted Jane's confidence in her abilities and encouraged her to try new fitness challenges. There you have it, folks. A simple 1-minute plank every day can lead to some truly amazing benefits for your body and mind. Are you up for the challenge? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to tag us in your plank challenge journey on social media. As always, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic fitness content. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.